What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, and today we're unboxing a few products from ShiftCam. We've got the ShiftCam SnapGrip Light Kit here. We've got the ShiftCam Case here, and then of course Sling Snap as well. This is a way to turn your phone into more of a photography system. We're going to unbox this, so we're going to do that next on Geekazine. First of all, I do have to let you know that ShiftCam did get me product to look at, but they're not sponsoring this video. I got everything that you need to know about how I do my reviews over at geekazine.com/review. If you've got a product that you want me to review, all you have to do is contact me. The contact information is on that page, and we'll get the product in shop to take a look at. All right, without any further ado, let's take a look at some of the specs on this. First of all, we have the ShiftCam SnapGrip Light Kit. It is a camera handle. It comes with a pouch, it comes with a light, it comes with a charge cable, a magnetic sticker if your phone does not have MagSafe on it, and then of course a Bluetooth connection. Next up is we got the case here. This is the ShiftCam Work Bag Sling Bag. It's an over-the-shoulder bag, 2 sizes available. It gives you quick access areas to put in lenses, phones, whatever. Luggage handle strap, a Sling Snap magnetic mount, and external carry strap for whatever you need to bring into your bag for your camera gear. We're going to start with the SnapGrip Light Kit here. So let's go ahead and get this open. What do we got here? First of all, we have a small box. It looks like we got some sort of USB-C cable to C to A cable in here. Let's just pop that open just to make sure. There we go. Yeah, it's a simple C to A cable, small cable right here. We got some instructions right here, and there is an app that you can get through those. This is the case for the SnapGrip. We have, it looks like a SIM case opener tool right there. And then this looks like to be an extra magnetic tab for older phones or other devices that you might be using with this. Since this is Bluetooth, as long as the device can connect up to Bluetooth, it can use the ShiftCam. So keep that in mind. So with that, let's go ahead and take a look inside here. Here we go. And there we go. Look at that. That's awesome. This is a nice blue. There's multiple colors that you can get, but we did get blue. So what this is like I said, it adds to your phone. So if I've got an iPhone 12 right here, I can snap that right on and then use this. Get this in place there. There we go. And then it's going to be a better connection once I get the stickers off. But then I'll be able to use this as a camera handle. Simple as that. So let's do this. We've got a bunch of tape on here. So we'll take the tape off here. Take the tape off here for the MagSafe right here. There we go. And then what we've also got is the light right here. We've got some film right there. We're going to take off. There we go. And then let's see what else we got. This is all magnetic too. So this light was magnetic. And of course we have another orange tab right there. Go pull that off. We can use this light separate from here. So you can just basically pop it on like that. So if we don't want to bring the whole ShiftCam unit, we can just bring the light as so. Or we can just pop the light on like that. And then the light comes up like so. If you're doing selfie, and of course with the light, you'll also see you have like a little mirror here. So you can see yourself. You can go vertical or horizontal just by turning that. Like so. We'll go like this and we'll bring this here. If it's like this, you've got an outward facing light. If you flip it up, that's your selfie light right there. Let's take a look at this a little bit closer. So as you can see, a light flashing. We have several different LED options here. This is basically telling me that it's checking for Bluetooth. We've got a battery level right here. This light right here tells us a device is charging. So on the bottom here, that's where our USB-C connection is. So if you need to, of course, plug it into charger, there you go right there. On the top, we have 2 buttons. Let's go ahead and take our phone, iPhone 12, like I said, and we'll just put that right on there. There we go. Nice and sturdy. A little bit of shaking. Even the cat approves. A little bit of shaking. It's all good to go. And then of course we can put it on. From here, we could use it like this. So all we have to do is pair it with the Bluetooth and turn it on from there. To turn on the light, there is, just so you know, there is a button up here. And of course there is a USB-C to charge right here. So we'll go ahead and turn that on. There we go. And there's our light. And then of course, if we're going to selfie mode, we flip that around. Flip that around. That's doesn't really lock. So it looks like it'll flip around, as you can see. Let's go ahead and get this Bluetooth connected. There is no app for this. To turn this on, phone Bluetoothed in. To turn it on, all you have to do is press on to here, double press to turn it off. And what happens is it sets up a whole bunch of lights right here. The first three are your power indicators. So it's telling me that I need to charge this very soon. The green light right there is telling me that it's on, and then the blue light is telling me that it's paired. Once it's paired, this button becomes basically a shutter. You don't have an app that you need for anything. All you have to do is just bring up whatever camera app you're using and go from here. The light is independent, so it's got its own little USB. It's got its own little USB charge right there. And then of course the power button. It's got almost no power, so it's probably gonna be on for a second. So hold it down and let go, light turns on, of course, taking a regular picture. And then of course you can flip this up for selfie mode. And then when you're ready, all you have to do is get it going, set it right there, and then hit the button right here, and it snaps a picture. All right, next up we have the Sling Snap. This is just basically a little clip with MagSafe, so you can attach your ShiftCam wherever. So just basically, let's open this up. And in here, we got some extra stuff in here. Okay, perfect. So what this is, looks like a little carabiner lanyard right here, which is nice. We'll tether. And then we've got a little ShiftCam flag if you want to use that. And then we've got our magnetic clip. You can put this onto a bag, you can put this on your person. I could have it clipped like right here. What do you think? Right there. There we go. And then inside here, we have just basically an extra magnet for if you've got a device like a phone that doesn't have MagSafe to it, that way you can clip it on from there. Next up, we got the Workflow Sling. Here, this is a bag for your ShiftCam, for your camera accessories. So let's get this opened up here. So basically, I'll just pull all this stuff out. Instructions inside here. And then of course we've got the tag, which we'll just kind of clip off here. There we go. Bag's pretty straightforward. Let's see, we got a front pocket here, magnetic phone mount. You know, that clip I was showing you? Just take that off. So that's what this is. You can put that right here, and then you could clip that like so. Yeah, there you go, if you wanted to. Or maybe you don't need the light. You could put the light right here. Or the phone right there. So let's say you're just doing a simple recording of somebody, you know, you could hold the bag like that, maybe, I don't know. But you can also take that clip off. The clip's got a overhang. There we go, like so. So now you can take the phone and put it like that, and then put it on a person or clip it onto your strap. So there's your strap, and you can take that. This is a placeholder as well. So right there, you can put your clip holder. There we go. So now you got this around you like so. You can take your phone and go like this, level it out, and it's a body cam. Inside the bag itself, first of all, we've got a little hook back here. This is for a luggage. If you got like rolling luggage, you can put your handle in like that, and then walk around the airport or whatever with your stuff close by. We got a zipper bag right here, up top here, and inside that opens up. There we go. So, and of course you have single access zipper from here So you bring this in, and this is where you can access everything. Let's see if we get that zipper open. We've got a back pouch here where we can put in like a small tablet or a couple phones or maybe some lenses or anything like that. And then of course we can put our cameras in here. We got a zipper down here where we can put more stuff right there. And that's pretty much, oh, we got some side pockets as well for lenses or whatnot. 2 side pockets on both sides. We have an access pocket, and this seems to be some sort of clip strap. Clips into here. We got a couple actually that come from here, so I'm not exactly sure how they work. But inside this one, we have a series of pockets where we can put lenses, because ShiftCam also has other types of add-ons for the ShiftCam, like one with a hot shoe on top, different types of ShiftCams that give you more features, and that includes extra lenses that you can put onto your phone, cases, full out cases with MagSafe on it. This is just the basic cam for your needs. If you're just going out and doing shooting, you want that simple handle. But they've got several different options to make your phone into a high-end camera for video, for photos, or whatever you need. So that's the bag. We've got the magnetic clip, which we have right here. So I suppose I could sling it around like this and have it go like this. I can bring it in front of me and hold it like this, maybe even wrap it around, so I can have my camera gear really close by. I can set it like this, and then probably a lot more adding these straps into play, but I'm not exactly, maybe like this. There we go. There we go. That's a possibility. So, so just a lot of interesting things like this. Oh, okay. Folds out. Now you can open this up. Look at that. So now you can really access these pouches, in which these are for. Let's say you have a small tripod. You flip this down, and you can flip these up, and there's probably one. Yep, you can bring these up like this, and then you've just put your tripod into this bag right here. So I'm learning, once again, this is first discovery, so I'm learning a lot more about this bag as I go, as you can see. It's very versatile, and lots of ways to protect the items from falling out of pockets. So that is pretty cool. Lots of zippers. I'll probably find another zipper pouch somewhere around here in this bag as we go. But as you can see, that is the Workflow Sling L case for all your cameras. And I think, you could put in a smaller DSLR into here too. You could put a couple phones in here, some lenses. I'm seeing another pocket. I'm very interested in how that's going to work. That's it. That's the cool stuff for this unboxing. We've got a little bit of a mess on the table. Everything that you need, from the ShiftCam to the bag to to the shift clips. There it is right there. Magnetic clips, so you can put your phone on and have it as a body cam. That does it for me. Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine. Think Magazine, put in a geek. You can go over to geekazine.com, youtube.com/Geekazine, where you can like, subscribe, comment, bell notifications, so all those YouTubers get their wings. And until next time, you guys geek out and take more pictures. Click, 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 click.